And where will you be going on your end of season holiday?
End of season holiday. I'm hoping going to Australia to see a couple of my friends down there, so hopefully a road trip from Australia.
I'm going to Spain.
I'm not actually going on holiday. I'm toning it down. That's a terrible question.
I've been on two already. So my next one is to Mallorca. I'm going to Switzerland as well with the academy girls. I'm a coach at Colega Camoy. So I'm taking the girls to the Euros to Switzerland. So that'll be my next trip.
I'm going to Malta in August, so yeah, that's something to look forward to. A bit of downtime. Forget about football for a little bit and just relax.
I've just come back from Turkey, so I go to Benidorm in a few weeks, so come to them.
Spain, I think. Yeah, get some sun.
I'll be going to Alicante.
Tenerife next week, so a nice week away. Definitely putting the feet up, having a beer in the sun, so I'm looking forward to that. And then with the old man, Isaac, quite up over, we're having a little week away together as well in Cymru. So 2 weeks in the pre-season where I'm having my time off, looking forward to it.